develop comprehensive workforce solutions for its community. So, you ready? All right, I want you to help me congratulate the Workforce Development Board of Ventura County, which was chosen for its innovative, community-driven strategic plan. Please help me welcome Rebecca Evans, who will accept the award on behalf of the board.
Please come up. Thank you very much, Ms. Flowers. NAWB, I know this is, as you said, it's a lot of competition. When we got the word that we had won, we were floored, and we're thrilled to be here. What I want to share with you, our colleagues that we talk with from around the country, thank you for being here with us to receive this award. And I want to share that we are a workforce board like many across the country. In Ventura County, we are not a major metropolitan area. We sit on the beautiful California Central Coast between Los Angeles and Santa Barbara. And we have workers who travel in and out of our region on a daily basis to work. We know that, as we talked about earlier today and as we've heard, that workforce boards are more than just program administrators. We are the architect of systems. We work collaboratively together to be good stewards of our funding, and we want to make sure that we have bold impact. We did that through our strategic planning, tying our local strategic plan and engaging in strategic planning on an annual basis, tying that to our local and regional plan as required under WIOA, having a data-driven approach to making sure that we found out where there was most need in our region, and then looked for where we had gaps in service and sought to fill in those areas. By expanding our reach and working in partnership, as we heard on the first day, we work with libraries, we work with the Office of Child Support Services and many other agencies. We were able to expand our reach and the uptake of our services by over 200% for in-person walk-in, beyond just having our comprehensive AJCC. Thank you for that. I also want to share, because we've had a lot of talk about impact and the data that we have access to, that's been a theme here at Forum, looking at the data that we're able to collect of the several thousand people we serve in a year, and over 2,100 entering in employment across a variety of programs, that has generated nearly $120 million in annual earnings. If you look at your data and see in your local area the total earnings that you are creating within your local area, and what it would be like if you did not have that and you were not serving those that you serve. So we know that we are able to build systems, and we're not just meeting our criteria, we are meeting our expected outcomes, but we're also meeting our customers where they are. There is no wrong door for a job seeker. There is no wrong door for a business person who needs ready and able talent today. And we want to make sure that we're not just serving those that are most likely to succeed, but we're serving truly those who have had barriers and need that pathway to employment. Thank you, and I want to make sure that in alignment with all of these points are those who are with us here today. Our board members, our board chair, Laura Martinez, background in HR in both agriculture and the oil and gas industry, and a veteran of the United States Air Force. Thank you for serving as our chair. Victor Dollar, who is founder and chair of our local Ventura County Lodging Association. When you're ready to have a good time, look up Visit Ventura County, and we welcome you to come see us. Norman Albansis from our team has worked in workforce development. Many people in the audience know Norman for 20 years, starting as an intern. That's something we talked about. We talked about needing the workforce development and apprenticeship for our own industry, and Norman is a great example of that. Andrea Sanchez, who leads our way with apprenticeships and youth programs. Also representing California, Kimberly Meyer, Chief of Workforce Services with the State Employment Development Department. Thank you very much for being here. It is with both our federal funding and state support that we are able to blaze the trail. Adam Peck, formerly with Tulare County, California, and now is the leader of our California Workforce Association. That association ensures that we are in front of our elected officials and that we are also connected with NAWB at the federal level. Every month we have a conversation about what's happening legislatively and how, as a California collective, we can have the most impact. And then our partners from our contractors, we have Career Team, Goodwill, MCS, Managed Career Solutions. Managed Career Solutions worked with us on a local state-funded project a couple years back, serving unhoused individuals. We got 100 people connected to training and employment who were formerly unhoused. That is one of the hardest challenges to address, and we were able to successfully do that with their help. Also, Equus and Eckerd Connects. Thank you very much for working with us. Equus is our partner in serving farm workers in Ventura County. We have everything from agriculture, farmers and farm workers to Amgen, bioscience, advanced manufacturing, and healthcare. It's a very wide range of industry sectors that we support, and we're able to do that with our partners. Thank you.